Hello guys, so today I would to like show you that how to create vertical slider in the Figma. So first of all we have to create this kind of components over here, so we can animate this slider in vertical way. So we have a designs for this, like okay. Now what we will do, we'll create the thumbnail over here. And then just click something like this, Control A, make it duplicate, Control A, copy and just paste here, so it will be the equal amount of the thumbnail. Now this two grid we have to create in a frame and then adjust according to our view. Just clip contain this so we can make looks better, and just take it below the shaded layer. Now we will move this frame outside of that screen, then just adjust it according to the animation. So create component, again make a copy, add variant. Now change the position, okay, and then go in the prototype, create the animated layer, like after delay 10,000 and 800. Same way second variant we can add after delay 10,800. So our animated component is ready. We have to go in the set section, create in the local components, just delete this and use this one. Again make it down so that will be looks better. Now we can use the images over here. Like this way. I'm using same images. Okay, so let's try to show this preview. Yeah, it's worked. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe it.